Welcome to Feel Good Towns of Slovenia. The first sip of coffee turns my sleepy thoughts into inspired dreams. A bridge doesn't stop the river's flow. It simply invites you to see it from a new perspective. The smallest of all museums. Here the world's oldest grapevine sways in a step with the present. My canvas is the stage, yet every canvas shapes my next step. A city has its surfaces and its depths. It's natural to move, to find your own choreography. I surrender to inspiration at every step. Here every table sparks creativity. Maribor has given me space for magic. Feel it for yourselves.